Hello my friends from YouTube. Today I will show you this wonderful phone, mobile phone from the first generation. This phone is made by Nokia. The model is Tango Mike X-Ray slash 1 Lima Sierra class 2.4. This is made in Germany. Here we have the plug for power, antenna, the handle. The handle is the same Nokia, made in Finland. Type Hotel Sierra X-Ray slash 2 Juliet Sierra. Very nice. It has a plug. The antenna is removable. Like I will show you in just a moment. Here you can see it. And with further notice, let's dive into this radio to see what's inside. Okay. First, we are going to take a screwdriver to open this pack. Oh, here has a long screw. And we are also going to open this. Here we have a multi-pin connector on this side. I will show you in just a moment. Here is the connector that I was saying. And here. Okay, let's open this first. Okay. This should be connected here, but let me show you. It has a plug. I think this is a VCO here. I think here is a filter, maybe. A variable coil. Here we have an Sierra Alpha 605D Delta and Tango India 035 Alpha. Look, this is another board, and this is the connector that I will tell you before. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it's coming out with everything. Here we have a ribbon cable. Take it out. Here we have a Tango Mike Sierra 27 Charlie 512 Juliet Echo. We have a 7808. This is for power protection diode. Interesting. A battery for the memory. Well, I think here we have the main radio, and this is the battery. I will come back to this battery later. Now let's finish with the radio itself, the connector. As a power amplifier, we have a Sierra Hotel Whiskey Echo 1061. Here we have a bandpass filter. Made by Lima Kilo Products by Finland. We have a 12.8 MHz VCO here. And that's it. There's not much to it. Very simple radio. Telephone radio. And here we have the battery. A very big sturdy battery. Let's see what we have under these screws. A magnet. Interesting. So let's see here what we have. Seeing this multi-connector, I think the BMS is outside, but it can be also here under this metal case. We will see in just a moment. This is really portable, this radio telephone. Oh, this looks not so good. But yes, here we have a board under. Let's see if we can get inside of it. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, this is the battery. This is the connector to the battery. Oh, some corrosion. But still in good shape. Oh, you can see from water, I think. Here we have the BMS, and here, very interesting. Let's see if we can tighten it. Oh, I think I broke it. This spring holder is like on a shotgun, you know. You take pack, and you put the bullet, and then again. It's very nice, very interesting. Just to hold the transistor or the MOSFETs here for the battery management system. Very interesting, very well made, nice. I wonder how you take that apart. Oh, you can take it like this. You see? It holds by brute force to the wall of the housing. These are the two springs that I broke it, but the other two hold it. Okay, let's loosen up a little bit. Yes. Take the screws out. There are two of these. Three. Sorry. And this is the BMS. We have one double diode. No, it's not a diode. It's a Bravo Tango Quebec 0600 to India Romeo Foxtrot Zulu 34 and one Bravo Delta 649. These are the power MOSFETs, transistors. This is BMS. And the battery, made in France, 10 Vector Echo Charlies 1700. And we have under 8950 reference 136451. I don't think they have 650. I think there is something else inside. I will investigate. Anyway, this is the radio. These are the parts from the radio. I hope you like the video. I hope you learn something from it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share if you want. Thank you very much and happy tinkering!